Hello everyone, let us see another problem based on factorization. Now this is to understand how to factorize by grouping method. We have two problems here to solve. Let's see how to solve these problems one by one. The first question is a square plus b minus ab minus a. Okay, we write down the given expression. What we have to do now is let us arrange these terms in their preceding order. Like the squares will be first according to the alphabetical order, right? So a square minus a plus b minus ab. Right? So what we have done is we have arranged them in their order. And after that we group them and then we find the common terms. The common term here is a in the first group. A into a is a square minus a into 1 is a, plus the common for the second group is b. B into 1 will be b, plus into minus is minus, and b into a will be. The pairs are having opposite signs, right? They are not same. So we have to make it same by changing their signs. It's very simple. Okay, you just follow this and you will understand it. A, let us write down the first term, that is a into a minus 1 in brackets. Now look into how I solve the second part, b into 1 minus a in brackets. Okay, what we have to do is we have to change the signs. And how are we going to change the signs here? What we have to do, we have to change the sign. Okay, and after we change it, it will be converted into the same pair as in the first bracket. So how do we write it? Minus b, and in brackets plus 1 changes to minus 1 and minus a changes to plus a. Minus b, right? So minus 1 and a, we can write it as a minus 1. Right, now you can see that these two pairs are same now. Let us write down the common pairs as 1, that is a minus 1 in brackets into a minus b in brackets. I hope you have understood this. Whenever you face this kind of situation when you're solving, you have to change the sign to make the pairs same. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Let us see the second question. The first step is to write down the given expression, that is ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Now if you notice here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, right? So we have to expand both of these terms. Now you remember, right, the expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second part of the expression, or the second term, is in the form of a minus b whole square. Right, it's very important that you learn the expansions. And what is the expansion of a minus b whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So our next step would be to expand both of these terms given in the expression. Alright, and remember that ax represents a and by represents b. So a square would be ax whole square plus b square would be by whole square plus 2ab would be 2 into ax into by. Right? I hope you understand this, right? I hope you have understood this. And let's expand the second term given in the expression, that is the form of a minus b whole square. So a square will be bx whole square and b square will be ay whole square minus 2 into ab, right? Over here a is bx, so 2 into bx in brackets into ay in brackets. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Now what we'll do is we'll open the brackets. Ax whole square will be a square x square plus by whole square will be b square y square plus, do we have any common here, ax and by? No, I can't see any common, so we'll write it as 2abxy plus, we'll open the bracket of bx whole square which will be b square x square plus a square y square minus, do we have a common there, bx ay? No, we do not, so we'll write it in order. Okay, 2abxy. Fine. Now what is our next step? We have two unlike terms here, we can cancel them, and so we are left with a square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. Our next step will be to arrange it in their order. Right, you remember that you should be arranging it according to their powers and alphabetically. So we'll be arranging a square x square and b square x square as one group and b square y square plus a square y square as second group. Remember that we'll write a square y square first because alphabetically a comes first. Right, we arrange it in alphabetical order. Now our next step will be to find the common from these groups. Okay, from these two groups we'll find the common. The common in the first group, what I can see is, and what you also can see, is x square into a square. X square into a square would be a square x square plus x square into b square would be b square x square, right? Now what's the common in the second group? Y square is common, so we multiply y square into a square and y square into b square to get those terms. Do we have common pairs here? Yes. A square plus b square, we'll write it as 1 into x square plus y square. So here we have found the answer. The answer is a square plus b square in brackets into x square plus y square in brackets. I hope you have understood this. You can go back and see the video again. You also have to practice, okay, and try doing it by yourself. So keep learning and keep studying.